So some advice that I would give to married couples is probably to, travel, right? Anywhere you can see a different place, whether it's Charlotte, whether it's LA, whether it's Costa Rica, Thailand. Just get out and experience new things, especially with your loved one. All right.
If you're wanting to learn more about how to become a wealthy married couple who maybe starts a business together, who passes down generational wealth, go to www.milliondollarmarriage.com. We'll see you there.
Again, all black national convention. Shout out to Boys Walking. Shout out to the B1 Nation out here representing Play Black Wall Street. Last year we were in Orlando, Florida. This year we are in Charlotte, North Carolina for an amazing weekend on financial literacy, about wealth, about health, and about making sure our children are ready to take over the mantle for the next generation. Ready? We are at Cuzzo's Cuisine in Charlotte. It is Black Restaurant Month, so we had to pull up and support. We got the shrimp and grits. Had to get it, had to make sure, see what kind of Charlotte shrimp and grits we got. Queen, what's over here?
We got some lobster mac and cheese, fried shrimp, and jerk wings.
And of course, French fries, because we are French fry connoisseurs. Delicious stuff. Queen, what was the best part for you?
Wings. Ooh, or the shrimp.
She's a wing connoisseur.
I am a wing person. I'm a wing
connoisseur. If you come by Charlotte, make sure y'all stop by Cuzzo's Cuisine. We went during Black Restaurant Week. When y'all come, it'll be another day. Still good. Get the food. Tell them Play Black Wall Street sent you. Why not? Black art and appreciate black art and Play Black Wall Street, especially when it's covering Tulsa's Black Wall Street. We got John and Lila Williams right here in their Model T, the owners of Williams Dreamland Theater, Williams Confectionery, and the local garage in Greenwood. Over here, we got an amazing portrait of black thought leaders, activists, and community leaders. We just stumbled upon this art. We gotta go find who the artist is. The Queen's gonna stop me from spending some money. And love black art, love black excellence. This is beautiful. So you're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, and then you're gonna say your name whenever you do the last one.
Scissors, case.
So once I win Jacob's now gonna come in the back and he's gonna follow me to Devon. Oh, God. All right, y'all gotta chant the name.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh! Yep. They the last one?
Yeah.
All right, everyone's in part of Jaden's Kingdom, chant it.
Jaden, Jaden, Jaden.
Alright, well.
Wait, how about we Chadwick Boseman? Chadwick Boseman.
Chadwick Boseman, aka T'Challa, aka Black Panther. So y'all gonna have maybe like 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes tops. I want y'all to come up with the top 3 superpowers.
Oh, and one superpower like Lord, and all the superpowers combined.
Hey. Y'all got 3, maybe 5 minutes to think about which planet you would build a black civilization on. Y'all ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, should we? Did I mention?
I got the weather on your tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Ours. Oh, y'all don't believe it. Y'all don't believe it. The future is ours.
The future is ours.
The future is ours.
The future is ours.
I have the power.
I have the power.
We have the power.
We have the power.
The future is ours.
The future is ours.
Alright, well done. I appreciate y'all. I think it's fun. What is going on, y'all? My name is Devon Travell. I just finished facilitating the introduction to Afrofuturism workshop for the young melanated genius at the All Black National Convention. Shout out to the young scholars that participated. Shout out to Planet Nephiluphicus. Shout out to Planet Wakanda and the amazing superheroes that y'all created. Y'all have the imagination of geniuses, and I look forward to seeing what y'all create in the universe. What I took away from the Afrofuturism workshop with the young scholars is I need to continue to draw and think outside of the lines, outside of the box. All right, those scholars did an amazing job of just breaking the rules of gravity, of the universe, of what we think is real. And I think the only way to create and to continue to create real innovation is to think outside the box and break those rules. If I can give, 3 words of reflection to those scholars, 1 would be power, 2 would be imagination, and 3 would be collaboration. Amazing day today at the All Black National Convention. It was so great. We sold out. We got no more games here. Sorry, y'all. But we appreciate all the love. Thanks for tapping in. B1, y'all are amazing. And now it's time to get ready for the gala. Play Black Wall Street. We in here. at the All Black National Convention again out here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. Just experienced the second annual All Black Gala. Everybody was dripped out, dressed to impress. We had a beautiful award ceremony, some food, and just good vibes all around. Shout out to B1, Boyce Watkins, and the entire Empire. Much love. The night's over. About to get some good rest. Tomorrow we got more tabling. Tomorrow we actually sold out of games, but we're going to do what we can to sell some books, maybe pre-order some more games on there. They've been showing us a lot of love out here at the All Black National Convention. But we're done for the night. Hope y'all enjoyed.
Look, y'all, if you're watching this,
and then Curry took it away from him. 1 second, Curry for three, good and it goes. And
this means we've got some more work on our plate. But it's good work.
It's good work. Let's go, Sinclair. We got work to do.
If you're watching this, this means that we have partnered with JLH to make sure that every player in the NBA gets one of these right here.
the Kings, Fox, 2, Fox from midcourt, got it!
What? Never would have thought that would happen, but crazy. Every single player in the NBA is gonna get one of these Black Wall Street the board games. We're super excited. We got a lot of work to do, but only up from here, only up from here.
Are you still talking? We got emails to
All
send.
right. We got work to do.
To Durant, the fake, the second,